Welcome to Quiz RAD, the ultimate movie challenge. Can you guess the movie just by its soundtrack? And each one will test your movie memory. Get your ears ready. Let's jump in and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome quizzes. Which movie starts with that epic space theme? Star Wars. Which film's music takes you straight to Hogwarts? Harry Potter. That theme screams dinosaurs. Name the movie. Jurassic Park. Here Nance and Ganyama? Which Disney movie? The Lion King. Epic pirate music. Which adventure film? Pirates of the Caribbean. Which fantasy epic's theme rules them all? The Lord of the Rings. Dark, intense theme. Which Gotham hero? The Dark Knight. Hear that heroic tune of unity? Avengers Endgame. Jazzy superhero vibes. Which Pixar movie? The Incredibles. Can you guess the movie by the emoji? Child's Play. Neon beats from a digital world. Name it. Tron Legacy. Time traveling tune. Which classic? Back to the Future. That mandolin theme. Which mafia film? The Godfather. Swinging theme. Which superhero? Spider-Man. Two Notes of Terror. Which film? Jaws. Romantic tune on a doomed ship. Titanic. Motivational brass. Which boxing movie? Rocky. Whose theme makes you believe in aliens and friendship? E.T. Jazzy mystery theme. Which Pink character? The Pink Panther. Guess the movie by emoji. Elio. Spy tune with class and martinis. .007 James Bond. That emotional Pixar theme. Which movie? Up. Whistling Western classic? The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. Hear that spy beat? Mission time. Mission Impossible. Whip Crack Adventure. Which hero? Indiana Jones. Soaring Dragon theme. Which movie?
That's my fault.
How to Train Your Dragon.
That's my fault.
Heroic Fanfare. Which Marvel team? The Avengers. Desert World, Haunting Score, name it. Dune. Bold sci-fi tune. Which space crew? Star Trek. Can you guess the movie by the emoji? Winnie the Pooh. Blood and Honey. Romantic Disney melody, name the tale. Beauty and the Beast. Metallic action theme, which movie? Transformers. Dystopian whistle theme, name it. The Hunger Games. Heroic horns, which Man of Steel? Superman. Guess the movie? Avatar. Dark War theme, which Vietnam epic? Apocalypse Now. Ghostly tune, who ya going to call? Ghostbusters. Funky cop theme, which 80 seconds comedy? Beverly Hills Cop. Funky surf rock beat, which Tarantino film? Pulp Fiction. Giant monster roar theme, name it. King Kong. And that's a wrap. How many soundtracks did you guess right? Comment your score below and show off your movie knowledge. If you enjoyed this challenge, hit like, share, and subscribe to Quiz RAD, where fun quizzes never stop.